Hire Vehicle Bill Disapproval. The Hire Vehicle Bill Disapproval section helps users review the disapproved vehicle hire bills when there are discrepancies or issues. Main features are filter bills by branch, vehicle number, or date. Check the total amount, deductions, and balance for each bill. View the disapproved bills with issues for correction. Save bill details in an Excel file. Branch-wise vehicles report. The branch-wise vehicles report helps you see all the vehicles assigned to each branch. With this tool, you can select a branch, and it will show how many vehicles are assigned to that branch. You can view details like the vehicle's name, type, branch, and invoice number. You can change a vehicle's branch if needed, and the report will update automatically. By using these reports, it helps you track which vehicles belong to which branch. The vehicle count and branch info update instantly when you select a branch. You can view more info on any vehicle by clicking Details. Vehicle Scrap Report. The Vehicle Scrap Report helps you track vehicles that have been sold or scrapped. It provides important details about each vehicle's final status. With this tool, you can search sold or scrapped vehicles. Click Search to see a list of all vehicles that have been sold or scrapped. View vehicle details. The report shows columns like vehicle code, sale or scrap status, date, price, and personnel involved. By clicking on a vehicle code, you can view more detailed information, including how much the vehicle was sold for, when it was sold or scrapped, who handled and approved the process, any additional notes about the vehicle status. Tire Maintenance Report. The Tire Maintenance Report tracks all vehicle tires, showing their status, history, cost, and usage details to help manage tire performance and maintenance. With this tool, you can view details like tire type, cost, and purchase date. Get more info about the tire's position, size, make, and performance. See when tires were fitted, removed, and their usage over time. You can print the tire history for records. Vehicle Monthly Diesel Issues. The Vehicle Monthly Diesel Issues feature helps track and manage the monthly diesel consumption of vehicles, broken down by branch and vehicle type, own or hire. It provides a clear view of fuel usage over time. With this tool, you can see how much diesel each vehicle used every month, example, April, May, etc. View data for own or hire vehicles. See fuel consumption for each branch. Download the report in Excel format for analysis and record keeping. Spot which vehicles consume diesel regularly and which ones haven't consumed any diesel for certain months. This feature helps track fuel usage, manage fuel costs, and make decisions about vehicle usage and maintenance. Vehicle Monthly Consumption Reports. This feature tracks the number of hours each vehicle operates per month and its diesel consumption, helping monitor vehicle usage and operational efficiency. With this tool, you can view how many hours each vehicle was in operation per month, example, April, May, etc. Choose to view data for own or hire vehicles. View usage and consumption data for each branch. Quickly find vehicles, branches, or details using the search function. Download the report to analyze the data in Excel format. Compare the hours of usage between vehicles and assess their fuel efficiency. Vehicle Monthly Consumption Reports. Kilometer. This report tracks how many kilometers each vehicle drives monthly and the diesel consumed, helping you assess the vehicle's usage and fuel efficiency. With this tool, you can see how many kilometers each vehicle has traveled each month, from April to March. View data for own or hire vehicles. Get vehicle usage data by branch. Quickly find vehicles, branches, or specific details. Download the data for further analysis in Excel. Compare the mileage and diesel usage across vehicles to manage fuel costs. Vehicle Transferring Report. This report tracks vehicles transferred between branches or project sites, detailing their deployment periods, working hours, and kilometers traveled at each site. With this tool, you can keep track of which vehicles were transferred to which branch, and wind check a vehicle's complete transfer history with detailed records of where it worked and for how long. Quickly find vehicles, branches, or specific transfer records using the search function. Download the data for record keeping, sharing, or further analysis. Details in the report are branch, the branch managing the vehicle, vehicle code or name, unique identifier and model of the vehicle. View, access the full transfer history of each vehicle. Vehicle monthly consumption reports. The vehicle monthly consumption report shows how much diesel each vehicle uses and how many hours it operates every month. Use this report features to filter by own or hire vehicles for a targeted report. View consumption data organized by branch for better analysis. Quickly find specific vehicles, branches, or consumption details. With this tool, you can see how much fuel each vehicle consumes each month. Check how many hours each vehicle was in operation. Compare fuel use and operating hours between different vehicles. Download the data for further analysis. Vehicle monthly consumption reports. Ton. The vehicle monthly consumption report. Diesel, monthly ton, tracks the amount of diesel consumed by vehicle in tons for every month of the year. With this tool, you can see the monthly diesel consumption for each vehicle in tons. Check fuel usage across different vehicles and branches. Use the data to identify which vehicles are consuming more diesel and may need attention. Download the report into an Excel file for further analysis. Use this report features for branch-wise data, organized by branch, so you can see how each branch is performing. BY using search function. Quickly find specific vehicles or branches. Monthly breakdown to view diesel consumption for months. Vehicle maintenance alert. The vehicle maintenance alert is a system that tracks when your vehicles need maintenance, like oil changes, inspections, or repairs, based on their usage, hours, or kilometers. It helps ensure that maintenance tasks are completed on time, preventing breakdowns and extending the vehicle's lifespan. With this tool, you can get alerted when a vehicle requires maintenance. Make sure maintenance is done before a vehicle breaks down. Monitor upcoming service tasks and their due dates. Access detailed maintenance histories and current service status for each vehicle. In short, this feature helps keep vehicles in good condition by ensuring maintenance is performed regularly, reducing unexpected failures. Periodic Entry Renewal Alert. The Periodic Entry Renewal Alert helps track and monitor periodic maintenance tasks for vehicles and equipment. It alerts users when maintenance tasks are due or overdue, ensuring that vehicles and equipment are kept in optimal working condition and preventing breakdowns. With this tool, you can view when the last service was performed and when the next service is due. Get notified when maintenance is overdue, ensuring timely action. By addressing overdue tasks, you can avoid unexpected equipment failures and costly repairs. Prioritize tasks based on the remaining hours or kilometers until the next service. After performing maintenance, update the system to reset the alerts. Example actions: overdue maintenance. If a vehicle's maintenance is overdue, example remaining hour or kilometer is negative, schedule the service immediately. On-time service. For tasks that are not overdue, positive remaining hour or kilometer, monitor the upcoming service date to ensure timely maintenance. In short, this alert system ensures that vehicle and equipment maintenance stays on track, minimizing downtime and maintaining efficiency.